Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of TheRealNesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Alright, you guys, it's time for another unboxing, and yes, I have the best grandpa knife ever. You know when I bring that out what time it is. Got it with the T-Mobile. I had to do a little upgrade on my phone. Check this out. Yes, sir. Finally got a new phone. Can you guess what it is? Let me take it out the bag real quick for you guys. Yes, sir. I finally had to get me a 5G phone. Been with T-Mobile for a long time. They gave me a great deal. Actually, super deal. This is the T-Mobile REVVL V 5G. We're going to unbox this thing real quick and show you I bought a little new case for it too. Let's get into it. Let's open this baby up here. Grandpa knife. I love this thing. I'm going to use it on all my unboxing. T-Mobile REVVL 5G. I've been a long time customer with T-Mobile. They had a great deal. Trading in my old phone. And actually, I got this thing for free, you guys. I got it for free. Let's check it out. Can't do better than free. Woo! Nice little box right there. Put that on the side, kind of set it up for you guys. You see there's the actual phone right there. We're going to get into the phone, and then we're going to get into the accessories that come inside of it. First, you got the actual phone. We just take that out real quick. Oh man, it has a nice little paper on it, nice little wrappers. Feel a little heavy too. We're gonna sit this on the side for a minute, see what else is in here. Let's take this off, take the top layer off. And inside, we got the regular things in there. You got your, you got your USB Type C cable in there and your 18-watt charger. Type C. It is Type C. Type C charger and an 18-watt charger, because this battery in this thing is big. So we're gonna get a lot of usage out of it. 18. Cool. Let's see what else is in this thing. Got another little packet over here. No, I guess probably the instruction manual in here. Starter guide. You got the safety regulation, all that stuff that we normally don't read that's in here. So we just gonna put this on the side here. Let's get into the real nitty gritty over here. What's going on? Ooh, this is smooth. This is smooth. I like this. But I can't leave that on there. So let's open up and get the actual. Ooh, look how shiny. Oh man, look how shiny that thing is. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh man, I like the back. Oh, that's the actual back too. He's got like a little red line going down. I like that. It's real nice, real smooth. This phone, you guys. Oh man, this basically weighs about 7.23 pounds. Oh, look at the cameras, triple camera on it. Yeah, I like that. You got the it's 7.23 pounds. The length is about 0.34 inches. Height is 6.84. The weight is 3.05. 4G LTE, 5G, 4 gigabytes of RAM, expandable to 2 terabytes. Has a MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor on it. Look at that screen, big screen too, a massive screen. Let's turn that baby on. Oh man. Yes sir, all frequencies on this thing. This is a nice little phone, got it for free. Definitely might want, if you're a T-Mobile customer, you definitely want to check this out. This is a T-Mobile REVVL V 5G. If you're an existing T-Mobile customer, just bring in an old phone, a decent old phone that qualifies. Basically, the phone costs $200. You're gonna get $200 credit, and you basically get the phone for free. Yes, sir. Can't beat this. So let's just turn it on real quick. Let's basically unboxing. Hey, let me show you guys. I got a nice little case for it too. Let me show you guys this case I got for it. And here's the case I bought for it right here off of Amazon. As always, I will have the link in the description for the case. and the actual phone too. So let's open up this case I bought. This is a case that has a kickstand and a ring and a camera cover with tempered glass. This thing is made of polycarbonate thermoplastic. Look at this thing, and it has the little kickstand ring right here. Let me put this on the side, and this of course is your cleaner, and this is right here. So inside here you got the you got your glass, your shock proof glass to protect the cover. So you know, I don't know whether I'm gonna put this on there this time. I always put these glasses on there, but I don't know when I'm gonna put it on here this time. But here's the actual case right here. This thing is real tough. Like I say, it has a ring on it that allows you to go 360 degrees. See, you can have it any way you want. Kickstand right there, coming back like that. So if you're an Instagram person, 360 degrees means it goes all the way around. Hold it any kind of way you want to hold it. You want to come that way, you can hold it that way. So it has the ring on it. And the other thing, the real reason I got it was for this right here. This right here, once you put the phone on, you can slide it. And so when you get ready to take a picture, you take your picture like that. If not, you close it up. And now you can keep your camera lens nice and secure, like so. So let's just put the actual phone on here right now. I'm not gonna go into putting the glass on this video because I can never get all the bubbles out. It's always one bubble. Always one bubble that's left. But I just can't get it. I just can't get right with it. So let me stretch this out a little bit, you guys. There it is. Look like it's going in pretty good. Yep. Last little corner. Bingo. So there we go. And you see how it covers up the camera. And then we just come right here. Now the camera is closed. So until you get ready to use it, just like that. So boom, you're all set. Any kind of way you want to do it. Bring that back that way. Kickstand right there. Boom. You're all set. Nice little cover. Like I say, the link to this, 360 degrees on this. So the link to this will be there. It comes with a hard protected glass and a little cleaning kit. You know, just a regular old thing. But this is definitely a solid anti-scratch, anti-smash, shock resistant, non-slip case. And this is just what I like. I don't like it too bulky, too that. So that would be also there. All right, you guys, I'm gonna get this thing set up. This was just an unboxing video. Definitely stay tuned. After I get this set up, I'm gonna drop another video, show you all the features and functions on this thing. But for now, I'm out of here. Time to eat dinner. See you guys on the next one.